Hi there, my name is Sarah Cariss, and I'm so excited to share our Trello system with you. So this is something that you and your sponsor will work on together to help you build out your goals, to set different tasks that you'll need to do each day to reach those goals that you set for yourself. So I'm going to get started. First, I'm going to show you just basic what Trello is, and then we'll jump into what your Trello board is going to look like for when we launch your Savvi business. Okay, so when you first get into Trello, there won't be any boards or anything. It will just be blank. It's a free service. There is a $5 a month service, but you don't necessarily need that. So just stay with the free service and you'll be totally fine. To create a new board, so Trello is based on boards and lists. I'm going to show you just a generic one to show you how it works, and then we will go into what your actual board will look like. So we're just going to do this a test board. So if you wanted to create a new board for yourself for something other than your launch, it's a tool that I use a lot to keep myself accountable. So you may find that it's really helpful for you. So this is a new board. So this whole thing is your Trello board. Within the board, you can add different lists. So we'll do list 1, list 2, and you can add as many as you want. And so in each list, you might be a list for, your prospects, your customers. You can decide how you want to set it up, but there's a ton of different ways you can customize this. And each list, you can add cards. And so say there's a card for Sarah, there's a card for Amy, and then you can add all those people, and it could really be anything you want. Then when you open up the card, it's going to have a lot of different options. You can attach, say you wanted to attach a picture with someone, if you wanted to attach an order, like a copy of an order for a customer, anything like that. If you wanted to add a checklist of different tasks you want this person to do or that you need to do for this project, you can add a checklist. There's a lot of different tools that you can add into each of the Trello cards. So that is kind of the basic overview of how Trello works. Next, I'm going to jump in to show you what your Savvi launch Trello board will look like. Okay, so here we are. This would be what your Trello board's going to look like. It will have your name here, so it'll be welcome to Savvi, and then we'll have your name right there. So know it's your board. And within this board, I'm going to walk you through the basics. So we're actually going to start, there's the list, the scripts there, but we're going to actually start here, list of questions. So this is a place where anytime you're going through your Trello board and working on your business and you have a question that pops up, if it's something that you can wait until your next call with your sponsor, drop the question here. So if you wanted info on the comp plan, if you're like me, you don't remember things, and so having a place to add a list is super helpful. So then when you have time to meet with your leader, you will be able to go through all your questions, plus you'll be able to see them here to see kind of where you're at. So whatever questions you have, you're just going to continue to add them here. It's going to be your running list of questions, and then you can go over those with your sponsor once you guys have your first meeting. Okay, so then next, you just signed up. We're going to get you started. You're going to open up each of these cards. These are the Trello cards. You're going to open up each of them, and there are going to be some information and tasks in each one of them for you. So you open up the start here. You're going to read this message here. It's going to talk about some of the things that we want you to go over and look at. There's going to be some attachments of some homework type things for you to do so that your sponsor can help support you the best way possible to reaching your own personal goals. So you'll see some different information here, and then there's also some checklists here. So these are some different things that you're going to want to make sure you've accepted the invite for these groups that your sponsor is going to invite you to. Check those off. It looks like more than it is. Most of these things you can do fairly quickly. You're going to want to make some lists of people that you think would love Savvi and want to either buy some of the products or join your team. So each of the cards, you're going to go through the checklist like that. And there's going to be different, like our different programs. We have our Wear and Share program launching. That information is going to be there. Our tools for our business. So those are things for you to review. If for some reason you're on day 2 and you don't get to have enough time to look at the tools for your business and you want to look at it the next day, you can move that card over and drop it there. And that way you know, okay, I got those 2 things done, but I still need to work on this. And so then you can kind of move those things around to where it's going to suit you. If you are, maybe on day 3 and 4, you don't have a whole lot of time, you can move those over to make sure that you're on track with your own personal goals. These can be customized to you. Just because they have the days up here doesn't necessarily mean you have to follow it. That's just our suggestion. It's always great to get you launched as quick as possible while the excitement is there and you are ready to start running with Savvi. So each of these cards you're going to want to open up, go through the information, fill out your homework. There'll be times where it's going to ask you to go ahead and schedule a call with your leader. And so your leader will be working hand in hand with you. But at those times, you'll schedule a call, get on a Zoom call, and be able to dive into some of these topics a little bit more in detail. Now you'll see that the first week with Savvi, there's kind of a lot of things, right? There's a lot of things to work through, a lot of information. Don't get overwhelmed if it's too much. If you need to slow it down, totally fine. If you want to speed it up, that's great too. We're here to support you and your goals. Then you're going to start seeing in weeks 2 through 4 that we're going to start putting in some personal goals for you. We're going to start building out this Trello board for you, specific to you and your goals. And so we want to know what your big goals are. We're going to open up these cards and we're going to work with you. Maybe it's 3 new team members. In 2 months or something like that. Say that's your goal. So we're going to put in those big goals and we're just going to have those there. And then we'll start being able to build out your board. So you can see on the month 2, we have your recruiting goal and your sales goal, and then we have each week. So each week we're going to be working together to add different checklists, to add different tasks for you to work on to reach your big goal. So it's going to break it down. This is going to help hold you accountable. This is going to help on those days where you're like, I'm not really sure what to do. I'm not sure what to work on. You can open up your Trello board and you and your leader have been able to add in different tasks for each week. So you can check off what you've done. Maybe some things didn't get done. That's okay. You can move them to the next week. So it's very customizable to you. And then there's also some additional information. Personal development is a great one, you guys. I highly recommend you start listening to audiobooks if you don't read, or reading books. I'm an Audible person. I love Audible. GoPro, if you are planning on building a team, I highly, highly recommend you listen to GoPro. That's going to be your step 1 you're going to want to do. So there's some different books and tools that you can use there. And then we can talk more about opening a Facebook group and Facebook parties and things like that in the future. Depending on what your goals are with Savvi, we'll kind of fit those in where they fit. So I hope this is really helpful for you. If you have additional questions, if you need additional support, we're here for you. Please reach out. We're so excited to have you join our team at Savvi, and we cannot wait to watch you soar with us.